Moving on to another round of breaking update, because this is something that is now coming across and rather can come across only from a rogue nation or a comic state like Pakistan, if you can call that. Now, India left Pakistan battered and bruised, and this is something that the world knows as a fact. Striking as many as 11 Pakistani air bases, destroying dozens of their terror dens with precision hits. We've seen at least 9 of those headquarters and training centers of terrorists that has been destroyed. Now, this is as far as the evidence of success of Operation Sindoor is for the world to see. Now, with India presenting the proof of how our drones, our missiles pounded into Pakistan into submission and forced it to come on its knees, here is, as far as evidence is concerned, satellite images as well, and these are the real, not the fake ones that are being shared by Pakistan. Several of those videos that have also been shared by Pakistani citizens as well, of how, when it comes to their military bases, that were gutted because of the Indian missiles. But guess what? Who is getting, when it comes to the credit of what they have been calling it as failure of Operation Sindoor? This is where, when it comes to joke, the joke is that the army chief of Pakistan, General Asim Munir, who has been in hiding throughout and suddenly surfaced, he is now being promoted. He is now being given the title of a field marshal, the highest rank there. But exactly the question is, what is this promotion for? Is it for a failed operation that couldn't even give a scratch to India? What exactly is this elevation for? What is Pakistan trying to show here? Let's talk about the reasons here, possibly, because he went to hiding after Pahalgam terror attack. Remember, just days before, he went on an anti-Indian, anti-Hindu rant, and when the Pahalgam terror attack happened, General Asim Munir, he was nowhere to be seen. There were reports that he has probably fled the country. India then destroyed 9 of their terror dens in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. What did General Asim Munir do? Nothing. 11 of their Pakistan's air bases that were pounded by India, those were the backbone of the Pakistan Air Forces. What did Asim Munir do? Nothing. Even when it comes to the former Pakistani Air Force Air Marshal admitted that AWACS was destroyed in Bholari, leaving, when it comes to their air defense system, completely directionless and clueless. What did General Asim Munir do? And then Pakistani army officials were actually seen in the prayers and the funeral prayers that were being conducted for terrorists. Is this what the Pakistani army is actually for? And Pakistan's drones and missiles that were completely destroyed and intercepted by India. So is this a reward of failure, Shinjoy, that is being given to the Pakistani Army Chief Field Marshal? What exactly will he do as a Field Marshal?
Well, first of all, it must be remembered, and his detractors will say it, that one of his predecessors, Field Marshal Ayub Khan, was also rewarded, or he rewarded himself for failure. He attacked India in 1965, failed, and then, of course, he was Field Marshal. Let's not forget that there was another famous or infamous Field Marshal in history, and that is Idi Amin of Uganda. Now, both Ayub Khan and Idi Amin have disappeared from history. So maybe the same will happen with Asim Munir. The only advantage here is if you're Field Marshal, traditionally you never retire. So you will always get your salary till you pass on. So that is the only benefit that Asim Munir will get, that he will be able to wear his uniform all his life and get his salary all his life. Beyond that, as far as service to the country is concerned, well, you have already said what he didn't do. Now, what can anyone say about someone becoming a Field Marshal for not doing certain things? Now, that must be one of the first in history.
Well, of course, and as far as when it comes to speaking of uniform and the number of medals that you see on his uniform, what exactly is that for? What war has Pakistan really won in the last 7 decades? Well, that is for the world to see. Now, interestingly, if you fail, you get rewarded in Pakistan. For the moment, Shinjoy, thank you very much for joining in.